Hello everyone, let's solve this problem in simple way. So the problem says to us A, B, C, D multiply D gives you D, C, B, A, and there is a condition where A, B, C, D are distinct digits, which means that these cannot be repeated. So I am quickly write down this problem statement here. So to solve this problem statement, there is a trick. We should first look at the rightmost part and the leftmost part. So let's write it down. Rightmost part says to us that D multiply D is A and A multiply D is D. Let's consider this. A multiply D is D. What is the number I should multiply with the D in order to get D? So there are two possibilities. A can be 0 or 1. So let's consider that if A is 0, so 0, in order to get 0, so D has to be 0 because 0 multiplies 0 gives you 0. If we consider D as 0, so A and D both 0, but A, B, C, D cannot be repeated digits. So we are left with only one possibility, that A has to be 1. So this is 1 and this is 1. Now check for this part. D multiply D equals to A. D multiply D equals to A, which means that we need to think when we multiply the two numbers with themselves, we should get 1, or the digits at unit place is 1. So there are two possibilities. D can be 1 or 9. Let's take D as 1, but D can't be 1 because A already 1. So we are left with D as 9. So D is 9, 9 and 9. If D is 9, so 9 multiply 9 is 81. So we have a carryover of 8. Now let's take this. 9 multiply B equals to C. And 9 multiply 1 equals to 9. So this tells us that when you multiply 9 with B, so C can't be two-digit number because we can't have a carryover when we multiply 9 multiply 1 is 9. Okay, so we know that 9 multiply 0 is 0, 9 multiply 1 is 9 and 9 multiply 2 is 18. If we consider that if B is 2, then C is 18, so definitely we will have a carryover of 1. So this is not possible. 9 multiply 1 is 9. B can't be 1 because A is already 1. So you are left with only this possibility. Okay, so B is 0 and 0. So B is 0. Now look at 9 multiplies C plus 8 gives you B. So 9 multiplies C plus 8 gives you a number with unit digit as 0. So what I should multiply with 9 so that it would satisfy this particular equation? Can I say that C can be 8? Because if I multiply with 9 and then add 8, I'll get 80. So the unit place digit is 0. So let's consider that this is 8. 9 multiply 8 plus 8 is 80. Here you have a carryover of 8. So let's validate it. Are we getting here 8? If we calculate this particular portion, 9 multiplies 0 is 0 plus 8 is 8. So C is 0. So which concluded that C is 8. So A is 1, B is 0, C is 8 and D equals to 9. So this is an answer of this given problem statement. Thank you.